Yeah, on the vlog again. Go crab hunting last night. Right? And catch. A good catch. This is our catch. This is one of the small one, them boy, 15 bills. Yeah. Now, the pot, right at this moment, we don't go in a.
The pot there?
Don't on front right down there, so. But the next 10 or so, the life will go in a pot, pepper and everything, then a pot, scale and time, well seasoned, pot, well seasoned.
We'll look at the pot.
Alright, look at it.
High volume.
Come rewind it. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're laughing, if you make you mad. Not only you give me love, but make me nice. I have to make you mine. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you mind us. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my life.
Yeah, guys, and this is Dorian in the kitchen as a big chef.
Chef.
Right.
If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night.
We have jerk chicken on the menu, soup, crab, boiled crab, and a whole lot of stuff. Fritters, what you
I'm gonna love you every day. Time and dance with you, my money I go pay. For your love I go pay. It'll make it money days. I'll feel it for you every day. When you call, run it back on me, play. For your love I go pay. For your love I go pay. Make a psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, if you nice, you go drive me psycho. Baby, every duty, don't they make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. You are that looking in your eyes, oh. Show you many things you can utilize, oh. If I say I love you, then I tell you like, oh. Show you everything when I get tonight, oh. True that make you utilize, oh. Yeah, when we touch the way go revive, oh.
Yeah. Alright guys, so today I don't know where they are Bull Bay. You know on my side, this is the east side, the best side. And without a copper, and today is a crab day. So you know the man them go crab hunting and them say to them I'm gonna boil up the crab. Yeah, and see if them can make some bread. Remember me I talk to you from what I'm telling you, anything one can do nowadays as long as you don't do the wrong thing, you have to do it and make the bread up for the summer. Along the way, we're not going to see the party, we're not going to see the bubblings, we're not going to see the action, and not going to see the vibe. So you just go and stay with me today, Jamaica. We're in Bull Bay, out of Copa, 8 Mile. Go and keep it like Alicia More TV. Ow! Side!
Yeah, away on the pot for boil up. So if you pot boil up, crab go eat. Next 20 or so crab ready.
Regular thing this year?
Regular day, man.
So you like crab?
No, we don't eat crab, you know, but we just do it for fun.
You like the experience?
Yeah.
Alright, that is it.
You got Copa Lane. The whole East, man. 711, 711, man. The whole East, man.
That's
our own.
Terrible! Hey. Boy, is he? Yeah, we have a kitchen, come on.
Look one of them mad, man.
Yeah. It's a tape. Catch him. So the crab them bad. I saw on my side, listen up. On my side,
some water upon him.
Wicked.
Look at your water, like that.
I say wicked.
Yeah, wicked.
Chico.
Wicked.
I get licked. Them don't come.
I want to fight team like people. Alright guys, so I'm going to go and see the crab. The pot start over to show the one, yeah?
Step on him.
Thomas, run! Thomas! Run from the crowd.
Alright, do the all that nice. Alright, watch him. Alright, all that nice.
Run! Alright, that is it, guys. I put on the cover.
I'll put more in there. Hey, no, come over here, so put my foot in the car. Kick me, I'm going to kick it, you know. That, yeah, let me know.
I've done it. Let me carry that shot this man. I've done it in the month.
Alright, so
Come on, the road, man. Park now, late. Reverse now, late.
watch it go. Two gonna take off. Go, the other one.
Just show me one way you want, yeah?
You show me like people know them one.
What that?
From the front of shape. Foul me a deal with. I'm not even chicken enough. Foul. Alright, tell me to ready. Hey man, them man in ready. What you want to ask? Done to this. I want to know. Yeah.
Me and them together?
Me don't know. Yeah. And that's the more I'm going to work on that.
Smell good though.
You can take your time, don't have to rush. This might take us a while.
Smell real good. You can smell all of the spice. Smell like all corn in there and the corn in there. Real flavor. I can. Roadside crab settings.
This one. Yes, man.
Yeah, guys. That's saltfish. What kind of fritters?
Saltfish fritters.
Saltfish fritters. I see them butter here. I don't know them butter here and white flour. I don't know. So the seasoning. Well done in the butter. Yeah. Anytime nobody from the rural area cook food and knows the food are nice. They understand seasoning and timing. That is it. See guys, the festive day with food there. Saltfish fritters, crab and pot. Nice dirty chicken to go with it, you know? Coca bowl based setting. That is it. Always there.
Right, now you're ready.
Hot already.
Terrible.
That's it, guys. I'm not telling a lie now. It smells so good. That's all I can talk about. I'm not taste it yet. So I can't tell you about the smell right now. And you know, so from the crab pot smell good, you know. A straight festivity.
Right.
Yeah. So I know so little later on, I'm going to take it on. But for now, I'm going to watch the process. Brown and nice. Brown and nice.
Yeah, you know? Real weird.
Real weird.
Yeah,
Natural way.
Cover up this one and eat, catch it in the sauce, you know, let's make it look more pretty, you know? Yeah.
Juicy.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Little bit, you know, you can see the sauce have some spice tonight.
Oh, yes, right.
Yeah, that is it. Alright, people now go and check in and see what go on. Them say super come out.
What go on?
Them say super come out later. So now get it better than.
Come on.
No, me just have to do it. I know the bit. Tell me the truth, guys, in the comments. You look like Chris Brown? No, this is Chris Brown Lookalike. And the first time you hear that?
One love, make sure you send subscribe to our page, is it?
That is it. Oh my God. Yeah, no, guys. We are taste the crab. Remember, so we're showing her the process. And we are going right now down to the juice. Remember, I'm not really a crab person, but we are taking on the crab today. You see it? Yeah. Dip up the leg in the sauce. Yeah. Have the right vibes, have the right vibes. Guys, I know some don't really know how to eat crab like this. Hot. Yeah. See me? See me? Steaming. Let's see it messy. I'm gonna really want to smell too fishy. You see me? Guys, they must have not eat the crab. They must have me waste the crab, but from me I bite on a chew. I'm the king of come through.
Thomas.
I eat that. So I go eat some of the chicken and the one. Make it up nice.
No, look, I'm 5 more here.
Regular ketchup and pepper the tail. Guys, we don't really love crab like that, but for the experience, we don't know what I have to eat. Some crab leg and mix in the stew or go on, alright? But so really I depend on the chicken. The chicken, I don't know if it's a chicken lover, I'm all about the chicken, but I don't know for the experience, we'll go on the vibes. Yeah. That's the ketchup. Yeah. That is it. You know, you can't eat the jerk chicken, people, without the bread. Remember, we are going to do real authentic national giant bread. Yeah. Any full bread we call them. Any full. Yeah. Ketchup for bread. That's it. That's not bad. Crab, yeah? So we are going to eat everything. I'm making a stew or go on. Crab, guys. Get the crab. I will get the chicken. See, vibes? That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. Guys, see there? Chicken and crab, we are having it on right. Which one do you want first? The crab or the chicken? Eh? You know, I have to taste the sauce with the bread. I'm going to put some chicken. The chicken is hot. Real good, guys. Chicken tastes real good. So now that we try the chicken, I was showing us that it's active. We'll take on to side crab now. The right vibes, top the right vibes, top the right vibes.
Come quick, come quick, come up.
Steam it.
You feel so?
Crab nice. We don't know if they're crab seasoning or so. It's all about the crabs right now.
Hey, what? Sabo.
That's something. Come some, enjoy yourself. It's all about the crabs right now. Just face a claw while I'm going to feature it. Anyway, guys, now sit down and enjoy the crab and pepper, yeah? Just the crab legs. The part of them there, not the crab, them something. You may eat them something there. No more you show me which part you actually eat. May I wear that way? No, some people like them. Some people like the belly. And the egg, so the egg them there. But show me. Better show me the meat so I can. What? Chicken never been right through. I know it's them. I go and take in the vibes and then check in later. I don't know if there's that particular thing going. We're outside, real and raw. I will just take in the vibes and the breeze and the atmosphere. And just leave no fix up today, no pretty. Go and try for 2 fritters, you know. They make my other crab drop. I'm a vex because I do want the crab. The only thing I'm missing right now, guys, are some roast corn. If I did have some corn and coconut, that would have been tough. Yeah, what I'm showing up on the vlog a while ago, you know, is a surfer, you know, it's a top surfer and skateboarder in a Jamaica. That's the Jamaican Chris Browns. So I did want to see him for kind of reason with him a little bit, but I see him up and down, but I don't see him stop my side yet. If he stop again, I hold a little reasoning with him. The vibe is what it is. It is Friday and we are outside like how we want the place. From St. Thomas to Bull Bay to Rockford to Windward Road, pick up the east side straight. Right now we're doing an 8-mile Copa and the guys are out here on Fridays doing crabs, jerk chicken, soup. I got up on the house, but you know that later on in the afternoon. It's currently after 2 and the crab and the chicken being ready since 1 o'clock. So if you don't pass out a Copa 8 mile and you feel for some crab or some jerk chicken around this time, they are from early. And soup, I'm not telling a lie, I enjoy the crab. Even though I'm not a crab lover, I really like the crab leg crab. I will enjoy the chicken, the jerk chicken was good. You see me? So, yeah guys, we're doing just 8 mile Copa and we're just chilling, want to keep the vibes. Guys, right now we're taking a stroll on the strip now. Over there right now guys, with the rides over Copa Club, a little Copa Club, I don't know a little Copa Club there. Yeah, if I'm gonna know a little Copa Club, then this is where the thing is.
I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's reserved for you only, so baby do it right, do me right. We can go all the time, we can move fast, then rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide, it could be one of those lights. Wanna see your body on mine and collide.
Guys, so we got the fritters. Remember we were showing earlier? Come out of the music. So, we get the fritters. No baby.
Yes, sperm donor, yes, you are do good.
Some man do good, my baby. He's a good father. Everybody a good father, but them not getting a good treatment. Everybody a good father, but them not getting a good treatment. Guys, man, them say them not getting no treatment and Father's Day come around. Can you imagine? And them say them not hear nobody else talk about Father's Day. And Father's Day coming around. They don't really care about us. Care about the father them now. But not care about the father them. So it up. Them feel away. Can nobody not pay attention to them from Father's Day. Them feel away. Judge, I have some really good father out there now.